Consuming fish, chicken, and meat provides a range of health benefits due to their rich nutritional profiles, making them valuable components of a balanced diet. Fish is particularly renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Omega-3s are essential for heart health, reducing inflammation and lowering triglyceride levels. Chicken is a versatile and lean source of protein, lower in fat compared to red meats, especially when the skin is removed. It is rich in essential amino acids, crucial for muscle growth and repair. Meat, including beef, pork, and lamb, is a rich source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients like iron and zinc. Iron from meat is more easily absorbed by the body, making it important for preventing iron deficiency anemia. In summary, fish, chicken, and meat each offer valuable nutrients that support overall health.